Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about QuickBooks, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you sign up and create a QuickBooks account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to sign up for QuickBooks anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sooner or later you're going to have to organize those receipts and bank statements, and QuickBooks is a popular way to do that. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in the QuickBooks website right here. Check my video description. I'll try to leave my referral link there. But I've already opened up the website. Now, from time to time, they do offer free trials. So in order to sign up for QuickBooks, you want to go ahead and click on either buy now and save or free trial. Okay, so once you do that, it's going to bring you to the pricing page. So you want to go ahead and choose which level that you want. For me, I'm going to go ahead and get the basic one because it includes one user, and that's sufficient for me. If you need more users, you can go ahead and upgrade your plan right here. So just read through the differences between these. Okay, so next, in order to create your QuickBooks account, you need to enter in your email, first name, last name, and then create a password. Also, you can choose to receive promotional from them. I don't really like to do that, so I'm going to go ahead and uncheck that. And then you want to click on one more step. So I'm going to go ahead and enter all that information in off screen. Okay, next, QuickBooks is going to ask you a few questions to help set up your account. So go ahead and click on next. Okay, now they're asking what my business name is. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in and then click on next. Now they're asking what industry I'm in. So let me go ahead and choose. All right, I'm going to click on next. Okay, now they're asking what kind of business. So let's see here. Are you a solo entrepreneur, company, partnership? So for me, I'm going to go ahead and choose this and then next. Okay, now they're asking what apps I use for my business. I don't really want to answer that, so I'm going to click on skip for now. Okay, now you want to choose how you're going to be using QuickBooks. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and track receipts and expenses. Okay, now they're asking you to go ahead and link your account so that way you can go ahead and upload your data directly into QuickBooks. It makes it easier than doing it manually. I'm going to do that later, so I'm going to click skip for now. Okay, now they're asking how I track my receipts, so I'm going to skip this. Okay, now they're asking me to download the mobile app so that way I can just easily scan my receipts. I'm going to go ahead and skip that. Okay, since you can use invoicing for QuickBooks, so you can send out invoices to your customers, you can go ahead and set that up. I'm going to do that later, so skip for now. Okay, next, they processed my account, so let me click on Let's Go. Okay, a quick second later, it lets me into my account, so I can go ahead and start setting up my invoices. I can start uploading my transactions and manually inputting those as well. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to sign up and create a QuickBooks account online, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.